This just isn't the adventure I was hoping for.
I think we're onto something good. I think we're onto something good. Don't let it get away. This could be everything. You know I gotta say, I think we're onto something.
So we're just getting ready to leave the RV show. It's been a long week. We've been in the truck running around doing stuff, and I come back, get ready to hook up and leave, and I do my normal walk around, and somebody was kind enough to crash into our rear dually wheel. Apparently they missed literally everything else, but they happened to hit the rim of the truck and bent the rim. We can't really afford the $700 for a new one, so I guess we're gonna have to look and see if we can find a used one. But people, if you hit somebody's car, just leave a note, take responsibility. We're not happy about this. We're not YouTubers that make any kind of money. I mean, I think we finally went over $60 in our YouTube income. We don't have any passive income other than from what we work. So this $300, $350, $500 is gonna cost for a replacement rim. It's going to be a hit, and it may limit what we can do or what we'd plan to do. So I don't know how we're going to do this. For now, I'm kind of hoping that it works out. I'm not sure if it's going to cause a really bad wobble or something, but we need to be aware of excessive tire wear and how it affects the trailer. But this is it. Let me turn the camera around and show you. Right from this perspective, you'll see just to the top of the wheel magnets, somebody backed in right here, and you can see where they hit whatever it was and pushed this entire part of the rim in. It's bent in and kind of at an angle, so it's bent in right here. You can see where they hit, and it pushed it in and made the wheel not straight. Somehow the wheel weights didn't pop off, but now we're kind of in danger towing with our trailer. We don't know how this is going to affect it. So again, if you guys are towing, make sure you walk around, do your walk around of your trailer every single time, and do a walk around of your truck. There's no notes or anything on the truck, and it would have been nice to know. But again, it comes down to us as our responsibility to check and make sure our vehicles are good. So a lot upset, can't afford to pay for that, but it is what it is. So life's a journey. Life's an adventure, and adventure lies at every turn. So come take it with us. This just isn't the adventure I was hoping for. All right, YouTube, we'll see you later.
Somewhere between the edge of being alive and feeling dead. This picture of us here, it's just like a rearview mirror.